Congratulations to these China Spring ISD May Employees of the Month. At the high school, Addie McClellan, health science teacher. At the middle school, Emily Allen, English teacher. At the intermediate school, Amy Gregory, 5th grade math teacher. At the elementary school, Kima Zapata, reading teacher. At the primary school, Nikki Edwards, music teacher. And the staff member of the month, Janet Lopez, secretary at the intermediate school. Congratulations, we look forward to celebrating you at our May board meeting.